We are the inventor of the new way of high-adjustable working and living.
For more than 2 decades, we have created high-quality ergonomic solutions. Started with a handful of entrepreneurs, and now we are hundreds.
We are already present in segments like home, office, care, education, hospitality and industry. We support people for gaining a healthier living.
The idea is that when something is height adjustable, you can sometimes sit down at it, sometimes you stand at it, and with that you keep changing your position.
So what we have mastered over the last decades is to provide very consistent and highly reliable drive units and ergonomic tables to the industry.
So we really focus on our design and the quality that comes along with our design to make a product that really fits to the user. The product lasts very long, and that also adds to our sustainability goals.
We operate internationally. Our customers have global presence, but so do we. We support our customers locally, at any time, anywhere.
From the moment they decide to contact us via phone, by mail or in person, we listen carefully to them and give them the best service possible.
We offer them solutions, we listen, we are there for them. It's really a partnership.
Our company is built on the values of quality, innovation, reliability, and of course closeness to customers. We care about people. That's the reason why we started the movement. And as we say at Actiforce, movement begins here.
Step into the innovative product world of Actiforce and visit us at our dealers, at our website, or see you at the flagship stores.
That was a long one. Holger, you are a rockstar. Well done, well done.